Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Microsoft Rewards and then search for it. Different websites' links will appear. Navigate to the second one, website option about Microsoft Rewards. Open it. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option Start Earning. You'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account's credentials. Once you type that in, you'll be logged in and you'll be directed to this page. Now here towards the section Earn, scroll down. You can complete these and earn points daily. Set, Study Smarter. Likewise, scrolling down, you're going to find this section of More Activities. Under that, you're going to find tons of activities that you can complete and earn points. Once you are done, what you can do is head over to the section of Redeem or scroll all the way down. You'll find this section of Suggested Rewards. Over there, you will find the option of Roblox. So you will need 6,000 points to get 400 Robux. Likewise, 12,000 points to get 800 Robux. If you do have enough points, you can click on it. You'll get the option of Redeem. Clicking on that, you'll get the Robux in your account. You can click on the drop-down to select an option, whether you want 800 Robux, 1,000 Robux, 400 Robux. Likewise, you can also enable the option of Auto Redeem. This way, if you have enough points, the Robux will be automatically redeemed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.